Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change the headlight bulb on your car. First of all, we should know which model of headlight bulb fit in your car. For the bulb model, just check on your old bulb or search on Google. Today I have got H11 halogen bulb for my Toyota Corolla 2010. I gonna change it. Let's check headlight working or not working. See, left light is not working. Now open the bonnet. Next to the battery, little bit down, you can see bulb jack. We have to change it. Grab the bulb and turn left anti-clockwise, and easily it will come out. Press that button on your finger and the bulb will come out like this. Grab the new bulb. Don't touch on bulb glass. Put it back like before. That's it. Put it inside and turn on the clockwise. Then it will be fixed. Now done. It is in good position. Now I am going to check it. Wow, work lights are working now. Thank you for watching video.